Hello my angels, subscribe to my obsession and press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss any update. Welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here, and today I'm here with a requested video from Pyali Das. She wanted me to create a look with red, blue and golden, and she wanted it to be really heavy on eyes. So I just went with this and this look turned out so pretty. I am quite happy the way it turned out. Thank you so much for this request. And guys, please request me such kind of videos because it really makes my day. And yeah, I literally had hard time filming this look, but I think it's totally worth it. I was little skeptical about this because I don't have eyelash glue with me. But when I got this Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, I just thought, who cares? I really don't need a lash to go on with this look. So I just created this look and I am super happy how this turned out. So yeah, I hope you really like this video, and if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and even subscribe to my channel, and this is free of cost, so you can do this little thing for me. So let's get into this video now. So guys, before doing the makeup, I just want to quickly show you something, and that is I got some brush recently, and these are the Pune store brush from Amazon. And I'm going to do my makeup with these brushes today. Let's see if I like it, or if I don't, I'll quickly go back to my Real Techniques brush. And yeah, let's start with this video now. So for the primer, I'm going with this L'Oreal Base Magique primer. So I'm going with this on the T-zone area, and I'm just going to blur out any pores I have. I'm just going to blend this out with my fingers. So now moving on to the foundation, this is the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation, and I'm in the shade Warm Beige, and I'm really confused which brush I should go for. I love this brush. I really don't need any beauty sponge if I have this one, but I really want to try this out too. So I'm just applying this, and let's see how this brush works. I just feel this brush is soaking up a lot of product, but it is definitely giving me a coverage, not very high coverage as this foundation is. This is soaking up everything, so I'll just go in with my other brush. So I'm just going with my regular brush, and for that I'm just going to dot my foundation all over my face. So next for the concealer, I'm going with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Light Ivory, and I'm just going with this underneath my eye. And rest of the face, I'm going with this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and this is in the shade Light Pale. And again, I'm going to blend this out with the same Real Techniques brush. And now to set everything on its place, I'm going with this White Super Fresh Compact Powder, and this is in the shade Shell. And even I'm going with this Puna Powder Brush, and I'm going with this on the areas I have highlighted and concealed. I think the powder brush is doing a decent job. And now to contour my face, I'm going with this Wet n Wild Contour Palette, and I'm going with this contour shade. And yeah, of course I'm going with this Puna Store brush. This is the contour brush, and I'm going with this on the hollows of my cheeks. I think even this contour brush is doing a really good job. So I like this as well. And I'm going in with this on the usual areas I always contour. And even I'm going with this on the jawline. And for the nose, I'm going with this eye contouring brush. But yeah, I'm going to contour my nose with this. So I'm going to fill in my brows off the camera, but then I just want to show you, I'm going to use this Define brush from the same brush kit. And for filling up my brows, I'm going with this LA Girl Inspiring Brow Kit in the shade Medium. And if you want to go for an in-depth brow tutorial, you can just check out this site to reach my eyebrow routine. So as you can see, after filling up my brows, I'm already done with one eyes, and I'm going to recreate the same thing to my other eyes. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this red eyeshadow, and this is the PAC eyeshadow in the shade 15. So this is the refill pan, by the way. And I'm going to apply this on the outer V of my eyes. And I'm just going to take this on the crease. And I'm just going to blend this out. And even I'm applying this on the inner corner. And now I'm making sure that I'm blending the edges out. I'm not taking this too above, like as you can see, I'm not going really high. So I'm just going to blend this out. I'm going with this black from Makeup Revolution Run Boy Run palette. And I'm going to apply this on the outer V. And slowly I'm going to take this on the crease. And even I'm applying this on the inner corner of my eyes. And now from the Pune brush store, I'm going with this brush. This is a smudger basically, and I'm going to smudge this line on my crease. And even I'm going to smudge this on the inner corners of my eyes and on the outer V. I'm just going to pick a little more black from the palette, and I'm going with this on the outer corner. But I'm blending this inwards, as you can see over here. So now it's time to cut the crease, and I'm going with this LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm going with this lip brush from Real Techniques. And I'm just going to place this here. I'm just going to look up. So you can see this has already cut the crease, and I'm going to do the rest. And now I'm going to pick this golden color from the PAC Matte Eyeshadow Palette, and this is in the number 2. And I'm going to place this color with my finger first. And then I'll go with the same brush. And now again I'm going with that same brush, and I'm just going to blend this on the inner and on the outer corner. And I've picked up a little black, and I'm just going to smudge this on this area so it's nicely blended out. And even I'm going with this on the outer V. And now I'm going to tight line and waterline with this kajal. This is the Nykaa Rock the Line kajal. So now again I'm going with the blue from the same palette, and I'm just going to smudge the lower lash line. And I'm slightly winging this, and I'm taking this all the way on the inner corner. Now again I'm going with this black right here. And I'm going with this on the outer corner of my lash line. And now I'm going to dust off all this powder and the fallouts. And now I'm going in with this Miss Claire Pearl Eyeliner in the shade 16. And I'm going to apply this where I have cut the crease and even on the inner corners. And now for the wing liner, I'm going with this Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner. And now I'm going in with this Maybelline Lash Sensation Mascara. But before that, I'm just going to curl up my lashes. Because I don't want to go for any false lashes, I'm just doing this step. So I'm going to coat my upper and even the bottom lashes with this mascara. Now again coming back to the face, I'm going to apply blush and then I'm going with my highlighter. And for the blusher, I'm going with this Milani powder blush. This is in the shade Romantic Rose. I don't want a very pinkish blush going on. I just want a light tint of color, so I thought of going with this right here. I don't know how much my camera is picking up. This is because this is very skin-like, so I don't know how much my camera is picking. I think I need little more color, so for that I'm going with this Makeup Revolution Iconic Blush Bronze and Brighten Flesh palette, and I'm going with the blusher shade. And I'm just going with tiny bit. And now for my highlighter, I'm going with this Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter, and again I'm going to use the Pune store brush, and this is the small fan brush they have. So I'm going in with this highlighter and I'm going with this on the tops of my cheeks. I think this brush is really nice and it's doing a pretty good job as well. And even I'm going with this on the nose. And whatever is left, I'm going with this on the forehead. And I'm just going to apply this on this area as well, like on the arch of my eyebrows. And even I'm going with this on the Cupid's bow. And then I'm going with this MAC Fix Plus, and I'm just going to spritz this all over my face and get rid of that powderiness. And even I'm going with a little bit of highlighter on the eyebrow bone. I just forgot this step, so I'm just adding in a little bit. So now for the lipstick, I'm going with this Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade Tan Femme. So guys, this is the look how it turned out, and I am so happy for this request because it's a very beautiful combination of red, blue and golden, and this literally took me really long to film this video, but it was all so worth it because it was coming up from one of you angels. So thank you so much Piyali Das for requesting this look to me. I really enjoyed, and it's totally worth it. And yeah guys, please comment down below if you want to see such kind of look, because I honestly love creating such looks for you guys, and I am so happy the way it turned out. I'm really feeling like this is a perfect makeup look for Indian bridal look, but just because this was a requested one and I wanted to keep it a little westerny, so this is my take on it. But you can definitely go and wear with this, pair with any of your Indian outfit. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, comment down below if you want me to do more such kind of video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, thank you so much to all of you for joining me in this video, and don't forget to hit this video a big like because it's definitely gonna make my day. And even comment down below if you enjoyed watching this video. And yeah, pretty much that's it. Subscribe and don't forget to follow me on my social media handles like Facebook and Instagram. All the links and the makeup details are there in the description box. So do check it out, and that's it for today. We'll see you in my next one. Love you all. Mwah. Bye. Please click on the images so you can watch my previous videos, and if you really want to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, the links are given below, and even you can follow me on my blog page. And for subscribing to my channel, please click on the image, and thank you so much for watching. Please wait for the next one.